I'm just gonna say to Kuya Danmar Dayaw, ha. Danmar, if you don't listen anyway, that Kuya Rodelio Daguman was right. Rodrigo Duterte is an anti-American. Oh, why you love Bongbong Marcos? Why you love Israel? Why you love United States? Why you love Spain? Why you love European Union? You love Bongbong Marcos? You know, Danmar, stop supporting Bongbong Marcos and Benjamin Netanyahu. You know, look at what happened in the situation in the Middle East. Saudi Arabia, Bahrain, UAE, even any kind of place. You know, Shania Kiana, grandmother, who was affected by a missile attack from Iran in Bahrain. You know, this is hard to say, Danmar. Kuya Danmar Dayaw, Romeo TV Vlog, Paulo Cruzada, Gina Sejo, Jeffrey Asejo, Jima Casandil, and those other Marcos loyalists and Netanyahu supporters have a shame to all of you. Look at all Israelis and Filipinos. They are angry at Bongbong Marcos and Benjamin Netanyahu. Oh, they are worse than their father, Ferdinand Marcos Sr. and Benzayo Netanyahu. If I were you, Danmar Dayaw, stop praising Bongbong Marcos and Benjamin Netanyahu. Look at what happened to Ali Khamenei. Oh, he was killed by Israeli airstrike and the US airstrike. Oh, are you happy you want to allow the US air bases in the Philippines? Huh? You know, Bongbong Marcos and Benjamin Netanyahu are gift of Satan. They are devils. At least there's Yair Lapid and Rodrigo Duterte. They are gift of God. They are gift of Jesus. Oh, they are a gift of God. They don't want corruption. I say again, Danmar Dayaw. Oh, and Mommy Ellen Olea, quit on supporting of Marcoses. They are criminal. They are puppet of Israel, Spain, and United States. They are puppet. Mga tuta sila, like I said, you know, I am criticizing against the Marcos loyalists and the Netanyahu supporters. All of you have a shame for what all of you did to Ali Khamenei. Iran is retaliating in the Middle East. Just like I said before. Now, you see, I don't like to support Bongbong Marcos because I am realize he's not our president. Of the Philippines. He's corrupt. Oh, you see. And first of all, Kuya Danmar Dayaw, stop bullying Kuya Rodelio Daguman. If Kuya Rodelio Daguman is a pro-Iran, pro-Russia, pro-China, pro-Duterte, even pro-Ali Khamenei or pro-Xi Jinping, he has his own opinion. Oh, you have to respect. First of all, Danmar Dayaw, you attack Cedric Mariano. You criticize Cedric. You know what you have done to Cedric. Oh, it's not really nice to argue each other. You know, Danmar, you need to stop politicalize. You know, Nanay Ningning doesn't like politics. Oh, Kuya Rodelio Daguman doesn't like politics. Both. Enough about politics. When you listen to Kuya Bear, Kuya Bear is also an anti-Marcos and anti-Netanyahu. He doesn't like Benjamin Netanyahu. He doesn't like Ferdinand Marcos Sr. They are criminal. I am anti-Marcos because I know I always hatred to the Marcoses. I am a pro Duterte. Oh, let's say Danmar, can you just stop bullying Rodelio? I know I was very angry. I was very disappointed. It is really unfair when you bully a cerebral palsy. Lawrence Villawan is not related to politics. I say again, Danmar, stop politicalizing. You know, since without David Gill, Roylan Marlang is retiring of politics. Oh, you have to stop politicalize, Danmar. You know, Miggy Labitag says, Danmar Dayaw. Wag kasi puro pamumulitika. Oh, like he says the word. He said in English, can you tell him, just shut him up? Oh, who Miggy Labitag says? Who described to Miggy Labitag? Danmar Dayaw. Oh, you know, Danmar, enough about politics. You know, Filipinos and Israelis, they don't like Benjamin Netanyahu. They don't like Bongbong Marcos. They don't like Benzayo Netanyahu. They don't like Ferdinand Marcos Sr. They are all criminal. They are all imbeciles. That's why, like me, I am an anti-Marcos. I am a pro Aquino and I am pro Duterte. I am a non-political, or I have my own opinion. Danmar, respect the other opinion to Rodelio. Kuya Bear is, you know, Kuya Bear doesn't like to politicalize cerebral palsy. Or me, I never want to politicalize Lawrence Villawan. Or do not politicalize Rodelio and stop making a fake account of Rodelio Daguman. Kuya Rodelio is 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 anti-Marcos. He's a pro Duterte. He's a non-political. Can we just make a non-political motivation? Danmar? You know, I am very disappointed that you know, for me, I'm not saying I tell to Jerick Silva I was banned in TikTok because I supported Iran. Because I don't want war in Middle East. Because of Israel and the United States, even the European Union. We do not like wars. Like you, Danmar. Can you just stop promoting Bongbong Marcos, Benjamin Netanyahu, Benzayo Netanyahu, even Ferdinand Marcos Sr. They are corrupt. They are robbery. Magnanakaw sila. Oh. I say again, Danmar, can you just be non-political and not related to politics? Me, I don't too much about politics. You know, Miggy says, oh, I don't want too much politics. So let's refrain about politics.